So in this question, there is a lead to nitrate. So on heating it gives a brown gas. So gas A on cooling changes to colorless solid and liquid gas B, solid liquid B. So A gives brown gas and on cooling it gives a solid colorless B. B on heating, this is a heating symbol. B on heatings with no change to a blue colorless solid C. So the oxidation number of nitrogen in solid C we have to find. So we will write the reactions involved. So this is lead nitrate. On heating it gives a PbO plus NO2, which is a brown gas, plus O2 oxygen. So first element A will be NO2. So on cooling NO2 we get N2O2, N2O4, which is a colorless solid. And N2O4 with NO gives N2O3, which is a blue solid, and N2 plus 3O3. So we need to find the oxidation number of nitrogen solid C. So the oxidation number will be N2O3. This is N2O3. So oxidation number will be plus 3. So option first is correct.